Children, today we will learn about some more exercises of parts and wholes lesson. Divide the white area in square A into two equal parts. Do it in book. This card puzzle you will do in your book. Yes, you have to divide this white area in square A into two equal parts. How will you divide it? You can draw a line over here. Divide the white area in square B into three equal parts. You have to divide this white area in three equal parts. If we draw line over here and here, it will be divided into three equal parts. Divide the white area in square C into four equal parts. Yes. Now how will we divide this area in four equal parts? We take some 1/4 part of this square, 1/4 part of this square and 1/4 part of this square, and we will make 3/4 part in fourth part and 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay. Divide the white area in square D into 7 equal parts. Easy. We will equally distribute this whole white area in 7 parts by drawing lines like this. A in 2 equal parts, square B white area in 3 equal parts, in C 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, and D 7 equal parts. This card puzzle you will do in your book. What part of each shape is colored? This activity you will do, this exercise you will do in your notebook with date 28th July 2020. What part of each shape is colored? First guess the answer and then check. Yes, tell me which part of this shape is colored. If we draw a line over here, 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 then we will see that it has been divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. So it is one part is colored out of 8 part. So it is divided into 8 part and 1 part is colored. And we will write 1/8 part is colored. 1/8. Out of 8 parts, 1 part is colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise this. If we draw a line over here and here, if we divide this rectangle into equal parts, then it will be divided into 6 equal parts. Likewise, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And out of 6 parts, only 1 part is colored. So, how will we write it? 1/6. Out of 6 parts, 1 part is colored. Here, out of 8 parts, 1 part is colored. 1/8. And in this shape, we will write 1/6. Okay, children? Now, tell me which part is colored. First of all, we draw lines and we'll distribute or divide this square in equal parts, and we'll see out of how many parts it is colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 9 parts, 2 parts are colored. Again here, we will divide this rectangle in equal parts and we'll see in how many parts this rectangle we can divide it into equal parts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 is the 15. 15 boxes. Out of 15 boxes, how many boxes are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4/15. 2/9. And this is 4/15. Yes. Next activity. This activity you will do in your book only. Colored parts. Complete these. This circle is divided into 2 equal parts. This circle is divided into 2 equal parts now. Out of how many equal parts? 1 part is colored blue. Out of how many equal parts? How many parts are here? 2. So here we will write 2. Out of 2 equal parts, one part is colored blue. So here we will write 2. Out of 2 equal parts, one part is colored blue. Here the circle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we will write 4 equal parts. Out of dash equal parts, dash parts are colored blue. Out of 4 equal parts, how many parts are colored blue? 2. So here we will write 2. Likewise, here we will write, here the circle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the circle is divided into 6 parts, 6 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 parts are colored blue. Here we will write, here the circle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Out of 8 equal parts, 4 parts are colored blue. Okay, children? The statement will be like this. Instead of 4, we will write over here 6, 6 and 3. In this circle, statement will be same. And here we will write in this circle, instead of 4, we will write 8. Out of 8 equal parts, here again we will write 8 over here and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here we will write 4 parts are colored blue in this circle. So we can say that 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we will write 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, how many colored? 3. So here we will write 3. Out of 8, how many colored blue? 4. So we can say that 1 upon 2, out of 2, 1 is colored blue, 1 part is colored blue. Out of 4 parts, equal parts, 2 parts are colored blue. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 parts are colored blue. Out of 8 equal parts, 4 parts are colored blue. You have to do this in your book only. Cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Amu and Anu. रमेश ने एक पीस खरीदा हलवे का अम्मू और अनु के लिए. He divided it equally for them. उसने इसको इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया इन दोनों में. तो एक हलवे के कितने पार्ट्स हुए? 2. 1/2 अम्मू के लिए एक हिस्सा और 1/2 आउट ऑफ 2 में से 1 हिस्सा अनु के लिए. Each will get dash part of halwa, half part of halwa, or we can say 1 upon 2 part of halwa. This piece is too big, we can't eat it, they said. उन्होंने बोला ये पीस तो बहुत बड़ा है, हम इतना नहीं खा सकते हैं. So divided the pieces into half again. फिर उसने इस पीस के भी हाफ कर दिया, इस पीस के भी हाफ कर दिया. अब कितने पीसेस बन गए? 4 उसी हलवे के. हाउ मेनी पीसेस विल अमू गेट? अब उसने डिवाइड तो हाफ हाफ करा है, तो अब अमू कितने पीसेस खाएगी? 2 आउट ऑफ 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो अमू विल गेट 2 parts out of 4 parts. What part of the halwa is it? अब ये पूरे हलवे का कितना पार्ट है? 2/4, 1/2. हमने अभी देखा था ना 1/2 इज इक्वल टू 2/4. तो ये हाफ पार्ट है ना, तो वी विल से हाफ. और हाफ. What part of the halwa is it? Half part, or we can say 1/2. Make it even smaller, Dad, they asked. उन्होंने कहा डैड अब इसे और भी छोटा कर दीजिए. सो ही अगेन कट द हलवा इनटू स्मॉलर पीसेस. अब कितने पीसेस में कट गया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ओके, थैंक यू डैड. अब आउट ऑफ 8 पार्ट्स, हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स विल अमू गेट? हाफ. 4 parts, and Anu will get 4 parts. 4/8, 4/8. Now how many pieces will each get? 4 upon 8 out of, how many pieces will each get? Out of 8, 4 parts, 4 pieces. What part of the halwa is each piece now? अब जो हलवा है, हलवे का हर पार्ट कितना पीस हुआ? 8 का एक पीस हुआ ना, 1 upon 8. If Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal parts, how many pieces would each have got? अगर 8 parts में इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट काटता तो कितने पार्ट्स लेते वो? 3 upon 6, 3 upon 6. Look at your answers for questions 1 to 4 and write 1 upon 2. इधर क्या लिखेंगे? 2 upon 4. So out of 2 equal parts, each will get 1 part. Out of 4 equal parts, each will get 2 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, Anu will get 3 parts. Out of 8 equal parts, each one will get 4 equal parts. Out of 10 equal parts, each one will get 5 equal parts. And out of 12 parts, each will get 6 parts. So 1 by 2, this is half. This is half of 4. This is half of 6. This is half of 4 is half of 8. 5 is half of 10. 6 is half of 12. So all these are equal to each other. That means Ammu and Anu will get half of the halwa. Okay? Okay students, thank you for watching the video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.